The manufacturing industry are at a nascent stage in generative AI adoption as compared to some of the other industries like healthcare and banking, where GenAI is being efficiently used across their business operations. Most of our customers are experimenting with GenAI tools, conducting low-hanging POCs in areas such as HR, legal, IT ops, application and infrastructure code deployment, as well as reporting ESG initiatives. Some of them are conducting pilots aligned to shop floor processes such as supply chain optimizer, as well as improving their aftermarket experiences. However, a few of them are also ahead in the GenAI race and are moving ahead from POCs to implementing it at scale. We are helping our customers not only with the scale implementation, but also to establish a AI governance framework to ensure data security, transparency, as well as a code of conduct while using GenAI. We are in fact doing this in collaboration with our ecosystem partners. Factory of the future will be a human-centric, sustainable operations that is enabled by an underlying layer of AI and data analytics, focusing on a competitiveness and growth. Industry 4.0 will be at the core across the factory value chain, such as engineering, plant operations, IT/OT convergence. GenAI will continue to evolve as an overarching layer across the entire factory operations. GenAI is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and a lot of interesting applications are being observed. We anticipate that in the next 2 years, GenAI would become part of most of the business functions, and significant savings in human efforts, which will enable businesses to transform their products and services to the next level. To sustain this competitiveness in this market, every enterprise will have to embed GenAI and other emerging technologies. They'll have to transform their culture and bring innovation at core and continue to upskill their workforce.